Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing two-dimensional arrays. So, this is a syntax for writing two-dimensional arrays. First you need to specify the data type. So, it may be of type integer or character or float, whatever it is. Then you have to write the array name. So, name of the array. Here is the row size, that means how many rows you want, and this is the column size. That means how many columns you want in the array. So number of rows and columns, and it will be like the memory will be allocated like this. Suppose you are taking array of 4 elements, that is 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so it will be having 4 elements, 1 2 3 4. Now we'll see example for the same. Suppose we are taking an array of type integer, naming A with 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is the example of declaring a two-dimensional array of type integer which is having name A. Now how to access that variable, a specific value at the how to access specific value at specific index. So this is called index of the variable, index of the array. Now suppose we want to access first the value at first row and first column. So we can access it as A of first row is written by 0, the index starts with 0, and first column the index starts with 0. So we can access the first element with A of 0 0. So this is the way to access the first element in the two-dimensional array. Now we'll see a simple program for this one. Just see, we'll write a program to calculate sum of elements of two-dimensional array. Take void main as function, then int a22, r is a variable, c is a variable, and sum is a variable. So we are declaring here variables. Now we are writing a statement, enter 4 numbers. Okay, then we are running for loop. In the last video we have seen how to run nested for loops. So you have idea about how the loop runs. Now for r equals to 0, 0 less than equals to 2, condition true, the loop will go inside. Now the first iteration, r's value is 0 and c's value is 0. And we are asking to enter the number for this location, %d scanf address of A of RC, that is row and column. So for the first time it will ask to enter number. Suppose we'll enter 1 over here. Then C's value becomes C++, C's value becomes 1 now. 1 less than 2, condition true. It will ask next number, %d A of, for this time A of 0 1. Suppose you enter 2 over here. Again C++, C's value becomes 2 now. 2 less than 2, condition false. The loop will go to the control will go to the outer loop. Now r's value becomes 1. Okay, 1 less than 2, condition true. It will go to the inner loop. C's value is 0 for the first iteration. So 0 less than 2, condition true. Now 1 0. Suppose we enter 3 over here. Now for the next time again becomes C++. C's value is 1 now. Okay, so 1 less than 2, condition true. It is scanning for A of 1 and 1. Okay, so 1 1. Suppose we enter 4 over here. Now again C's value becomes 2 now. 2 less than 2 condition becomes false. Again the control goes to the outer for loop. Now R's value becomes also 2 now. 2 less than 2 condition becomes false. The control will go to the statements outside the outer loop. Now sum we have assigned 0. We have not stored anything in 0 in sum. Now we'll run again 2 loops for each and every iteration. Now see how the loop runs. For the first iteration, sum equals to sum plus a of RC. For the first iteration, sum's value for the first iteration, it will add a of 0 0, that is 1. For the second iteration, a of 0 1, that is 2. For the third iteration, a of 1 0, that is 3. For the fourth iteration, a of 1 1, that is 4. Now after the execution, what value we get? Sum equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. So for this program you get output 10. I suggest you to run this program to see the output. Hope you understood the program. Hope you understood the video. Till then, subscribe the channel, share and comment. Thank you.